Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix mouse cursor movement issues on your Corsair M65 RGB Ultra. So first, what you guys want to do is go over and go to Surface Calibration. First, what are we going to do is we're simply gonna fix our mouse cursor movement issues with the surface calibration. So we want to make sure what type of surface we're on with our mouse. Then we're just gonna apply this process. So what are we gonna do is we're simply gonna go over, press the left button, and keep on swiping it until we are in the red, sorry, not red, but green line. Now, as you guys can see, I would recommend staying in the middle. Now, that way our calibration process will be complete. And once it is complete, what we can do next is go over and simply restart, sorry, not restart, but unplug and replug our mouse. So let's go over to home section. Now I'm just gonna unplug it from my USB dock, and now no supported Corsair devices found. So we're gonna connect it again. As you guys can see, before I connect, I unplugged it. Now I'm just gonna plug it again, and in a second we should see that it pops up once it lights up. Now, as a last resort, what are we going to do is we're going to press the gear icon and make sure that we check for the software here. If you're not on the latest version, I would recommend you updating. It is very important. And of course, make sure that your lift height is set properly. Now, of course, if you have any issues with your cursor movement, it might be due to angle snapping, but it's pretty normal. And if you're not playing any games, I would recommend just removing it. And that's basically it for the video. So, I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.